Welcome to how to fix errors when installing software on Windows. When you install some software and encounter the SmartScreen error above, follow these steps. On your Windows computer, open the Run window. Then you enter gpedit.msc. Next, you customize the policy on your computer as follows: Computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, File Explorer. Here you disable the SmartScreen policy. You can now install your software on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.